Hello people, welcome back to my channel. These days I have done my best to prepare very interesting content for you. So stay with me to the end because I'm convinced that you will really like it. At first we got a grandpa rushing home for lunch, so he ignored the red light and almost hit the biker who was filming this. Let's see.
What are you doing? Were you on the outside? Did you run the light? Dude, you almost killed me, bro. I can't believe it. You gotta use your eyes, man. Jesus. I can't see you when I'm turning.
You almost got hit. You almost got hit.
I love you. Be careful, you hear me? Go, baby.
The biker has just quarreled with the driver of the car. They are now in the middle of the road rage that of course never ends well. Let's see. These guys are in a beautiful environment that is disturbed by the sounds of motorcycles. The pickup driver is very angry about this and he is just coming. Let's see.
What's up?
fuck is wrong with you, bro? Do you see what you just do? Less than 2 seconds, you turn left, you idiot.
Hey, my
What do you mean, my bad?
dude, just watch it next time, man.
You say my bad? You can't kill anyone.
Okay.
Oh, f dirt, dirt, dirt. Dad went down. Dad went down. He's out of the road. I think you can come back.
Now you have to buy Brad's bike. There's no way around it. No, you didn't crash. This was a tip over.
It was a drop slide.
Did you tumble or did you roll? Or did you slide?
He just slid.
Let me see your helmet. Your head.
His helmet looks fine.
Yeah, no damage to your helmet.
No. Your trailer light's out on the left side.
No, thank you for that.
I just wanted to let you know. It's got a short, it looks like.
Is it coming on?
It's coming on and off. So it did kind of function when you hit the
When I hit the bump.
when you hit the bumps and your blinker.
I fixed it like 2.5 months ago, and I have a short.
Yeah, no, I just want to let you know it's going on
The light
again.
is still coming on though.
Occasionally.
So it's a wire issue.
yeah.
That's what I fixed. I fixed the wire. It has to be addressed. Thank you though.
You're welcome, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you for not yelling at me.
Oh no, that's totally uncalled for. I mean, we all have to be polite to each other because otherwise we're not going to get along with anybody.
Yeah.
Russian vodka is very strong drink and should be drunk with caution. This guy did not read the instruction on the bottle, so he was so confused that he intended to ride someone else's motorcycle. Let's see.
Fatality. Охуел, что ли, а? Сынок, блядь. Ты охуел, что ли, блядь? Ты кто разрешал подходить туда, блядь? А? Попутал, что ли, что-то?
Я ничего не
Ну иди нахуй отсюда тогда, блядь. Что я сказал, блядь?
Я сейчас полицию.
Иди отсюда, блядь.
Да?
Да. Хуевший, блядь.
Я запишу.
Давай, давай, хуярь отсюда. Что ты хочешь-то, дурень, блядь? А? Что ты хочешь-то? Да, что ты хочешь? А?
Ты нельзя в лицо, что ли?
Ты дурень ебаный, блядь. А? Что ты, сука, блядь?
Нет, я здесь, я в лицо, блядь.
Я тебе сейчас уебу, ты здесь ляжешь, блядь.
Да?
Хуйна.
Ты нахуй побрёшь, сука.
Иди отсюда, блядь.
Ты побрёшь.
Подожди. Ты пьяный, что ли, не пойму? Или у тебя сердце болит? Подожди. Ты пил, что ли, или что у тебя болит? Скажи мне.
Какой у тебя... Ты едешь, что ли?
Ты ехать не можешь, что ли? Ты пьяный? Сейчас даст назад. Сейчас 319 заработаешь и поедешь, блядь, по 19.3 еще, да? Ну он уже договорился, меня на камере записывать. Ладно, парни, я поехал, у меня времени нет. Если что-то надо будет, позвоните, я с камеры сниму.